This is Perry from the Hampton Network, and what I want to talk to you guys about today is the future of email marketing for 2022 and beyond. Most folks think that email marketing is actually complicated things. You have to write multiple emails, or either outsource them to have copywriters write them for you. But what I want to talk to you about today is just a new system that I've been doing since December and January December 2021 and January of 2022 up until today. And I want to kind of show you how easy this is to do if you do it daily for about maybe 15-20 minutes a day. This is not a get rich quick scheme, so I want to make sure I cover that. It will take time to start making I would say life-changing money. So just take a note of this video and just pay close attention. It's a very short video. I'm going to show it to you in just a presentation part here, then I'll do a demo and show you in 3 other parts of this system. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Let me go to this other slide here. Okay, so like I said, you can start start your actual own email marketing business without writing a single email. I know that sounds it sounds like it doesn't make any sense, but I can assure you it works because I've been doing it since last December. So it's very simple. It works. You just sign up, you create and configure your account, you start building your list, you start emailing your list, and you start earning money daily. It is that simple, okay? Very simple. What I want to note here is this is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. I don't deal with those kind of businesses, by the way. And I definitely wouldn't do that in my business. And I certainly wouldn't teach anyone how to get beep or introduce anyone to any type of get-rich-quick scheme. So I don't do that kind of business, not the Hampton Network. Okay, so I got that out the way. Now you can start earning, or you will start earning money the very first day, and you'll learn more if you decide to start using the system. And like I said, it's going to take you months to start making up to $300 per week or more. Right now I'm roughly at about close to 300 a week, and sometimes it varies, but it's pretty much well over 300. I'm getting up to 300 per week. That will start within the next week, only because like I said, I've been doing this since December. So it's very easy to do. And I know people think it's complicated, and I get it. It can be complicated for some, but this system is completely, if you can point and click, that's really all you have to do. You don't have to write any emails, just point and click and do it on a consistent daily basis, and you'll be fine. Okay, once again, part 1, like I said, build your list. Part 2, email your list. Part 3, earn money daily. Now let me just say, for those who may be familiar with making money online, and especially with email marketing, it's really 3 things that you need to make money with email marketing. Number 1, you need a list. Okay, you need a list of some people to email to. Okay, then number 2 is you need an effective and affordable way to actually send emails to the people on that list. And number 3, you need to be able to monetize your email list that you're sending to. Okay, it's just those 3 things that you need. Okay, this system has all 3. Okay, so, and actually folks, it's a short video, but this is it. After this video, I'll go ahead and start the demo, and part 1, 2, and 3, you'll see them shortly after this. So like I said, this is not the end of the video, but I want you to know that I thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell, and also click the link in the description to actually get started right away with this system and for more information. So thank you, and get ready. Stay on, keep watching, because I'm ready to start the demo and go into part 1, 2, and 3. Thanks. Hi, this is Perry from the Hampton Network. I want to show you all real quick this new email marketing system that I've actually been using since December of 2021 and January of 2022. I've got a system now where you can have a complete email marketing business. You don't even have to actually write any emails. I know some of you may not believe that, but I'll definitely show you. So I'm in one side of this particular system. This is the side where I actually build my list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and enter the list of subscribers that I want here. Well, the list I want to, I'm going to send out 10,000 emails to get new subscribers. So I just put in 10,000. You can only send out a max of 10,000 at a time. We just click here to go to the next step. Okay, the email's already written. You don't have to do anything except select the email. Okay, let's go ahead and put my name there. And I hit send this email to my list. Click here to confirm. Okay, done. And as you can see here, some of my previous emails I just sent out, you can see how many opens I got. Well, when it refreshes, you can see all these emails I've sent out, and you can see the amount of opens I got for people going on my list here. So that's just part one of the system. Hi, this is Perry again. This is part two of the email marketing system I mentioned. So in part one, I showed you a quick video on how I actually build my email list. This is part two here. I want to show you how I actually email my list to actually, generate money. And I forgot to mention in my first video that, for each person to join my list, I actually, get paid when they click on the emails or the links in the emails and join my list. So this one here, same concept. So let's go ahead and start here. I can send out, we'll do 10,000 max at a time. Okay, so you can actually send the emails out. So we'll click and go to the next step. Remember, I have not written a single email. They're already written for me. Okay, so all I do is select the email. And by the way, these emails here are in sequential order. They're random, so you can go right down the list here. So when I, for example, send this one, and I go back to send another one, it won't be the same email. So let me go ahead and select this one. All I'm going to do now is put my name in just like I did with the other one. I can click send now, which is I'm going to do, or I can schedule send later for a different date and time. So let's just go ahead and send this now just to show you. Okay, go ahead and send this and click here to confirm. Okay, you see these numbers here, it's actually sending because I told it to send immediately. So now all these right here, well, let it refresh. So you can see I send out quite a few emails, and I do this for about 15-20 minutes a day max. Okay, you can see all the opens that I've gotten from these emails. So that's literally it. Part one, I showed you how to build your email list, and you can see I think it was over 159,000 people on my email list so far, and it grows every day, by the way. And this particular piece of the system, this is where you just send the people email that are already on your list, and when they click on a link in the email, you make money. So you basically have the opportunity to make money every single day and earn passive income pretty much while you sleep. Okay, on the next part three, I'll show you, which I don't normally do. I'll show some of the earnings I've made. And once again, I've been doing this since December of 2021, so I've built up a list. I didn't start out like this. So just want to let you guys know that, so I'll see you in part three. Okay, everyone, this is Perry back again with part three of the future of email marketing. This is the future of email marketing from 2022 and beyond. So this is just one last piece of this particular part three of this video series I want to show you. Is just something that I typically don't do. It's where I show some of my earnings just for this one particular system. So as you can see here, when I started in December and January of December 2021 and early January 2022, and you can see I made my first commission on February 8th. Okay, and you can see about, I would say, a month or so later, I made another check. I got another check, and this is all deposited into my account. Then you see April 13th. You see how the numbers are starting to get, the dates are starting to get closer here. May 9th, June 7th, June 27th, July 18th, August 8th, August 22nd. You notice the dates are getting closer. September 5th, September 19th. So now I'm on track to make roughly $300 every 2 weeks, but pretty soon I'll be making $300 or more a week. So I just kind of want to share that to you real quick. Hope you guys like the video. This is Actually, a great way to get started in email marketing. You do not have to write a single email. Okay, have a good day.